What's up guys, it's me Packy, and today I got another ball review. This is the Damn Good Verge Pearl ball review and a special video when we hit 50,000 subscribers, which should be by the end of this video, or maybe even by the time it's posted. But anybody who But for now, we got the Damn Good Verge Pearl. I'm gonna bring it down to the Radigan Student Center, about a 42-foot pattern. I'm gonna ball on down there. Hopefully this thing looks good, but let's get to bowling. So 5 frames through game 1, I've decided to play hard and straight, try and show you guys some of the versatility of this ball. I'm gonna bowl 2 games. 1, hard and straight. Game 2, I'm gonna try and really open the lane up and hook it with a really slow ball speed. For me, a really slow ball speed is probably gonna be around 14, 15 miles an hour. My really fast one right here, this game, we're looking at like 16 or 17 miles an hour. So 5 frames through game 1, we're looking at front 3 on some really good shots, maybe a couple light mix, couple high flush, and then 2 spares of the 247. So those 247s, obviously you guys saw I just missed in a little bit. Not my greatest attempts, but this ball is definitely creating some room left that I wouldn't have had with the Damn Good Verge Solid. Hopefully I can keep my hand real soft at the bottom, keep that speed high, put some shots on line, and finish this game out for a good one. But so far, Damn Good Verge Pearl, I'm loving the reaction out of it. We have come to a close on game 1. That was my 10 frames of game 1. I ended up with a 221, some good shots, some bad shots, but every time that I did get this ball to where it needed to be, the pocket, it seemed to strike, which is a really good sign. I didn't have any shots where I was like, man, I really aced that one and it didn't strike, which sometimes with the Damn Good Verge, the original, the solid one, it does a much better job of controlling the pocket, where this might be more of like your house shot style ball, where when they give you the pocket and you need to strike, you can take this one out of your bag and throw plenty of strikes. It's just 42 feet, pretty flat. Seemed like every time when I missed up the lane, it hooked, and some of those shots where I missed left, it really just kind of hung there. So I'm gonna now bowl my second game. I'm gonna move probably 20 right with my feet, adjust my eyes appropriately to throw it to 9, 10 down lane, and we'll see what this ball can do for me. But I'm looking forward to hooking it and seeing what it does from that deeper angle. But as for right now, this ball's a house shot killer. Anybody who comments on this video their favorite member of the house, as well as maybe a small story about them or their favorite moment of the vlog or their favorite moment of that player specifically, you'll be entered in our giveaway. And what we have to give away is this brand new Black Widow Ghost. As you see, we got all of the members of the house who signed it, as well as special guest Norm Duke signed this bowling ball. So we're giving that away to any one of you guys who comments down below in the video and is subscribed to the channel. As we hit 50K, we'll give that thing away. So we are 5 frames into game 2, where I've slowed the speed way down. I'm hooking it, as you guys can see, 4th, 5th arrow. The first shot, really good. The second shot, I got to like 5, 6 and it didn't hook. For no surprise, it's 42 feet and I'm throwing it to 5, 6 at like 42 feet, and it doesn't have the room to come back when I'm throwing it across 23 at the arrows. So that being said, 5 frames in, I went strike, super washout, got lucky, spared it, and then I threw the next 3 in a row. And now we're looking 5th frame in. I think I can pop a big one as long as I make sure I keep it in that same line. I really got to buckle down, throw some good ones, because if I don't get it to like 9 or 10, like I said, kind of when I was playing straighter, it's not very forgiving on this pattern, but this ball, I think on a house shot, obviously with me being able to strike from deep and strike from way left, it seems like it's gonna fit a variety of bowlers on those somewhat easier conditions. And with people with some softer hands, they're gonna be able to really control this ball on even some harder stuff. Let's get to the back 5 frames and we will hopefully finish out a strong one here. All right, so guys, hear me out. Honestly, I know the back half of that game was not as strong as the first half. I know this. But still shot 220, and 1, hooking it isn't exactly my strength. I'd much rather play harder and straighter. 2, for some reason, I wanted to throw it to like 3 down lane every time. Shouldn't have done that. I know with this pattern being 42 feet, I just threw some not great shots, but it is what it is. I want to show you guys the real reaction that the ball gives me, and that is, for me, on this specific pattern, harder and straighter look good, but I think on a house shot, I could play anywhere I wanted to on the lane and be able to get this ball to strike. If I was to take it to some sport shots, as a lot of these videos I do house shot bag, sport shot bag, I think it's going to fit in both. Just if I was going to bring it in the sport shot bag, I'd take the polish off of it. So right now it's got like a really shiny finish, and I think I'd hit it with a 2000 pad, and I'd really be able to make it way more versatile. Because I'm not versatile, I just hit it with 2000 and then make it versatile for me instead of trying to make myself versatile. But that was my damn good Verge ball review. That was my 10 frames, 220 from hooking it, 221 from playing straighter. And I will catch you guys on the next ball review or vlog. We got the PBA playoffs this weekend. Wish me luck. Hope I win. Hope I win my match and my second round match. I can't win the playoffs this weekend, but I can win 2 matches. So hopefully, wish me luck on TV. And don't forget, we are giving away this Black Widow Pearl, or Black Widow Ghost Pearl, signed by every single one of the house members and Norm Duke to one of you guys once we hit 50K subscribers. All you got to do is be a subscriber of the channel and comment down below who your favorite house member is and maybe a cool story of you meeting them or your favorite vlog moment with that house member. So we will catch you guys on the next one. Hopefully it's a tournament vlog of me winning a couple matches at the playoffs. So hopefully that's where you catch me, winning in a happy mindset. But until then, peace.
We kicking